Hello, welcome. Hey guys, so I'm also owning 5,500 XRP. It's not a lot, but it's some kind of exposure. And if you want to know what I think about XRP, then stay tuned. Heads up, of course I think it's gonna go up, but question is how high? Okay, so we are looking now at the XRP Bitcoin chart to start with. Why? Because as usual, I found a way to analyze this chart quite well to give me a potential target. If I don't have a target, I don't want to get into any kind of short-term investment. So that's why I start with the XRP BTC chart. As usual, I mean, I did the fib levels, so I can do it again from scratch and with some explanation. We have a top here and the bottom here. I take the top as a 1 Fibonacci and the top and the bottom I take as the 0. And then I can see a potential target coming up here at the highest level of the 4.236. So a potential target for XRP BTC chart is 0.0001. 0.001 is a potential target. So what makes me think that this is a realistic target? I mean, it could also go down, right? So why do I think it will go here out of all possible targets you can come up with? Well, I found a chart that behaved quite similar, and that is XRP as well. So funny thing, let me put this here, and let's have a look at XRP against dollar. Maybe let me put it like this. So let's ignore what happens here in the back, but let's just look at the first half. So I can see from this XRP dollar USD fractal from 2020 that it looks quite similar to the current XRP BTC chart. I mean, you cannot deny the similarities, can you? I mean, it's really quite similar. We have the 1 Fibonacci level here, we have the 0 Fibonacci level here. We even had the first crash down to the 0.236. Then it's more or less going on top of it, bouncing a little bit between these two levels. We even have a crash down here to the 0 as we have here, and we even have a moving average that is quite similarly behaving between the two charts. And the current chart of XRP BTC is kind of lingering a little bit on top of it. Maybe it will fall a little bit below the moving average we have today. So that is what it did here as well. And well, like I said, for me, these two charts look quite alike. And just based on the fib level of the XRP BTC chart, I figured out this target already, and I compare it to an already past chart of XRP dollar that looked alike and behaved in a way that it hit this exact target of the 4.236 here at the top, right? So that's why I think, yep, that's a valid target to focus on the 4.236 for the XRP BTC chart, because I can find proof XRP has done this already in a past chart of the XRP dollar chart. So we remember target XRP BTC 0.0001. Now, how far can XRP against the dollar go? So if we want to sell against the dollars, take some dollars, when should we sell? I'm not saying that this is the best, right? I mean, we can also just stay in cryptos. That might not be the worst idea nowadays if we see what's unfortunately happening out there. But let's say we want to sell and we want to get dollars. So I, of course, analyze that as well. And I look at the current XRP dollar chart. Every candle is 1 day, and so this is our day here. We have late February, so this is the chart of today. And I mean, I did the same thing again. I draw the fib level again like I did in the XRP BTC just a second ago. I put the 1 at the top of the chart, and I put the 0 right here at the bottom, and we can see quite a similar behavior. I mean, this thing is I think XRP is always behaving quite similarly to what it's done in the past. And of course, for me, I take the same target, which is the highest 4.236. And why wouldn't I? Because I've seen XRP has done this already, so it's a natural target for me. And this makes a target of $7. So this gives us a target of $7. So here at the BTC chart, I came up with a target of 0.0001 BTC. At the dollar chart, I come up with a target of around $7. So now let's see if we can somehow align these targets and make sense of them. To do this, I pull out again the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin, like I said in the past, but I misspoke, I'm aligning myself with the theory of the blockchain backer who's announced a target based on a fractal he found of $56,000 for Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is to hit $56,000, then let me just make a quick calculation here. So I take $56,000 times 0.0001, and I get a result of 5.6. So I will get a target of 5.6, which will be right here, which is quite aligning to what we figured out here. And if I really want to stretch this and take maybe 0.00012, then let's see what happens. So I take 56,000 times 0.00012, and we get a target of 6.72. So I mean, now this really aligns well, right? I mean, you cannot deny that this doesn't add up. So yeah, so that is just to prove my trading theory for XRP, that I'm looking forward to a dollar target of around $7 and to the XRP BTC target of 0.0001. Okay. Just a quick note. I mean, we have seen here in the past of the XRP BTC chart. I mean, basically, I've done the same here. The 1 Fibonacci level is on top and the 0 Fibonacci is at the bottom, and we see XRP overshoots. So it went a little higher than the 4.236. So it can, of course, do this as well, which would also line up with my idea because it would hit the top of this channel. So guys, I think it's actually quite realistic that XRP will hit $10. So for everyone that is holding XRP, I mean, stay in or buy it. I mean, either you buy it or you stay in, but do not sell it. If you sell it now, maybe I will buy it from you. Okay, so that's my take on XRP. And well, let's just say what this means for me. So let's say XRP goes to my target of $7. I have 5,500. So what does it mean? 5,500 times 7. That would mean $38,000 for me, right? So that's quite nice. So that is my first target, and I mean, we all know if XRP moves, XRP doesn't move forever. It can stay flat for half a year, more or less. But if it moves, it will go in days. So we have to be in it. I mean, you cannot buy it once it's moving. When it starts moving, it's too late, right? So we want to have a plan ready, and that's a plan. Okay, so I'm really looking forward to it, and yeah, I'm really excited. Okay, so a quick update on my wealth, my portfolio value. Of course, it went down. I mean, yeah, things were crashing a little, and we had some bad things happening in the world which crashed markets. But you know, in the end, maybe for crypto it can be a good thing. I'm really not happy to say it in this way, but you know, if people ban countries from using SWIFT methods or to send money, I mean, if that shouldn't be possible anymore, then I could see a possibility that this will be good for crypto. And so I think crypto can go up a lot in the near-term future, and with it, our wealth as crypto investors. Okay, so remember, every man can get rich. Bye bye.